guys, so if you're wondering why my face looks like an oil slick, it's just because I haven't touched up my makeup for about 7 hours now, and I did that on purpose just because I wanted to try out this product called Setz. It's individually packed applicators with makeup. It's packed with translucent powder in it. And yeah, so on the commercial it says this is supposed to be better than blotting paper, and for me blotting paper is my ultimate holy grail item that I can't live without. I really love blotting papers. In the morning when I put my makeup on, I set my makeup once with powder, and then that's it. Throughout the day I only use this. I don't add any more powder to you know, to take off excess oil or whatnot, just because I have older skin, and adding more powder actually makes my skin look even older, so I don't do that. I use this. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. I got this from CVS, and then I paid $3.99, and there's, I believe, 5 individual makeup blotters in here. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test one side with this and then one side with this. So let's get started. So this is what the package looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so it comes in individual packs like this, and there's 5 in them. So let's go ahead and open it up. So let's see what it says. Directions. Wow, let me use my flashlight. It's really dark, and the letters are in white and I can't read it. Directions: pull out tray and applicator from packaging. Gently shake excess into tray using a blotting motion. Apply translucent powder onto skin. Okay, let's try that. Let's open this up. So this is what it looks like. It's spongy. It feels like a little, like a sponge. Okay, so I'm gonna peel this off. Oh, if you see behind here, you can see the translucent powder. It says shake excess onto tray. My mirror here. So I am going to do this side with this, and it's blotting. It says blotting motions. I'm just kind of wondering if it's really truly a translucent powder, meaning there's no color to it, because some powders will say it's translucent, but it's actually, when you put it on your skin actually looks white, which I don't like. Okay. I guess you have extra in here, so you just blot. It's taking off the shine, so you can see this side is matte again, and this side is very shiny. So I am going to try, and I didn't really use that much product. There's still a lot in here. So being the thrifty person that I am, I would probably put this back on here. And let me see if there's any really oil on here. I don't see any oil on the pad itself, but being that there's so much product left, there's at least, I probably could use this maybe 2 more times. I would probably stick it back on here, and I don't know, try and stick it back in here and then reuse it again, I guess. I don't know, I'm just thrifty like that. Cheap, if you want to call me cheap. But let's try this. Okay. So you can see all the oil. Ooh, look at that. Yuck. So let's take a look at it. I need to look at it really close. Both sides are matte. Actually, this is a good product. I think this is good, like if you want to take it, you know, put it in, throw it into your purse. But as far as cost wise, there's 5 in here, and I probably could use this 3 times, so 15 times. Versus, and it was $3.99. Versus this, I get 70 sheets for, I believe I pay like $3.49 for this. So cost efficient wise, this is a better deal. But yeah, this is a pretty good product. I would use it again. I'm gonna stick a couple in my purse. Like I say, I'm not really into adding more powder into my face, because it makes my skin look a little bit older and drier, which I don't like. But it doesn't look bad at all, and it didn't disrupt any of my makeup. So yeah, I'm kind of liking this product. Will it replace this? No, it won't, because this is my favorite, but this product is really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link down at the bottom if you want to get this. I believe you can get it at CVS and Walmart. I had to order mine online off the CVS website, because we didn't have it here at the store. And then after I got it in, then I saw it at Walmart. They had it there. So yeah, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.